friends, in previous lecture we studied about the lattice. Lattice is nothing but the set of imaginary array of imaginary points. In this lecture we will study about the basis and crystal structure. Then what is meant by basis? Basis is nothing but the atom associated with the each and every lattice point. Here we can see these are the some lattice point and atoms associated with the every lattice point. Okay, so what is the proper definition of basis? Here it is a unit consisting of an atom or group of atoms which has to be repeated at each and every lattice point in order to transform a lattice into crystal structure. Okay, then what is meant by crystal structure? Crystal structure is nothing but the addition of lattice and basis. Okay, here we can see these are the lattice point. Okay, set of lattice point, and this is the basis because every atom associated with the each lattice point, and Na plus and Cl minus are the basis of NaCl crystal structure, and this is the crystal structure of NaCl. And in the NaCl crystal structure, Na plus ion at the edges and Cl minus ions are at the corner as well as faces. Okay, let us see about the unit cell. Then what is meant by unit cell? Unit cell is nothing but the smallest unit which can form lattice after its repetition. Okay, here we can see the number of cubes. Okay, various cubes are available, but if we consider any of cube which can repeat itself and to form a bigger structure of this cube. Okay, that means this one particular cube is nothing but the unit cell. Okay, we will draw a 3D unit cell. You can learn from this how to draw unit cell. In three dimensions. Okay, okay, this is x axis. If we consider this is y axis and this is z axis, this is the origin of three various axes. Okay, unit length or edge along x axis is represented by a vector. Okay, similarly along y axis the edge length of this is the edge or side, we can say side, this is the edge of one edge of unit cell, and along y axis the edge represented by b vector, and along z axis which is it's represented by c vector. Okay, this is the 3D unit cell. Okay, in which we will see about the angle or lattice parameter. Lattice parameter is nothing but the edges and angle, both are called lattice parameter. Okay, the angle between b and a and b, the angle between edges a and b is gamma. Okay, is represented by gamma. Angle between C and A is beta. Okay, and the angle between B vector and C vector is the alpha. We can write properly or sequentially alpha, beta and gamma. In 3D unit cell, these are the angles and edges are A, B and C. Okay, these both these are called angle and edges are called lattice parameter. Lattice parameter. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. In next lecture, we will study about the atom per unit cell or atomic radius of unit cell. Okay.